this lockdown, people will be reunited with their families and they won't even want the enemies to go through this again.
Work from home is the new norm. Post-COVID, 75% of employees of such a huge organization has decided to change the work culture. I can see more companies moving towards it. It is no more necessary for employees to start attending the office for 100% productivity.
After this all, we will be like emotionally, psychologically distressed. From the beginning of the day till the end, we will be in dilemma. Whom we met, what we touched. Oh.
India's unemployment rate may have climbed up to 23% as the economy lost jobs after the lockdown.
The changes could be immense, says analyst, but also unpredictable. The threat from coronavirus that the world is facing today might show similar unalterable seeds of transformation.
After corona, the global economy will get affected and all currencies would go down, which will affect small scale industries, and small scale industries could also shut down, and we will have to import the goods, and this will create pressure on our economy.
Coronavirus lockdown impact on the food industry. Ice cream most affected. Initial sales were down 95% due to COVID-19.
After lockdown, many people will be afraid from going to the social gathering like events, wedding and other any auspicious occasion. After corona, people will stop going to restaurants, movie theaters and also stop going to shopping malls.
After the lockdown impact on the educational system, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the educational system worldwide, leading to our educational and system and universities.
After a lockdown, any nation may think before importing and exporting anything from China.
Due to this, nature is healing, air pollution is decreased and we can breathe fresh air. Also, rivers like Ganga is getting more and more cleaner.
During this lockdown, we have ended with a conclusion that one cannot remain caged for longer time of period. So rather than keeping animals in the zoo, we can build sanctuaries and enjoy jungle experience.
Ready?